Machining Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global machining market size is $355,847.2 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 5.2% from 2024 to 2031. North America machining market size will be $142,338.88 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 3.4% from 2024 to 2031. Europe machining market $106,754.16 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 3.7% from 2024 to 2031. Asia Pacific machining market $81,844.86 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 7.2% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America machining market will be $17,792.36 million in 2024 and is estimated to grow at a CAGR of 4.6% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa machining market will be $7,116.94 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 4.9% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.